it's cozy. It's like a new experience you really have. It's better for the environment, so it gives also a good feeling that you're not like flying and wasting the environment and stuff like that.
Well, the main issue is that, of course, it is very challenging to organize the train still because the timetables need to be adjusted all the time. There's a lot of track works going on throughout Europe, and our train is also affected by that. The other thing is that the carriages that we are using, of course, they are not new. And that means that we also have technical issues sometimes that we need to solve as well to make sure that the clients are comfortable.
Well, I think it was really great actually. The only word of advice I would say is if you are planning to go to the loo late at night, when all the curtains are closed, you might have a problem knowing where you have to go back to bed. I did, and I fortunately did find my right cabin.